Welcome to this GridX demo. In this video, we will run GridX through both visual and non-visual backtests in MetaTrader 5. The goal is to show you how the EA manages trades and highlight some of the advanced options that make it safer and more flexible than a simple fixed grid. In this demo, we will use a backtest with these settings. For this run, we will use AUDCAD on the 1-hour time frame. We start with a deposit of $5,000 and use conservative risk settings. The visual backtest is very useful to get an idea of the trading management. Here you can see the panel and the lines appear on the chart. These provides an updated view of the floating profit and loss and information about the average position size, the next order level, and the take profit level. Orders are managed as groups, a group for long orders and one for shorts. When the first trade goes into drawdown, GridX adds new orders at the defined intervals, bringing the average price closer to the market. When the combined profit of the basket reaches the target, all trades are closed together. There are multiple ways to set that target. Take profit can be defined in currency units, in points, or as a percentage of price. There is also an optional profit multiplier that increases the target as more legs are added. If losses become too large, the max loss setting can close the basket, protecting the account. This is expressed as a percentage of the account balance. For example, with a max loss of 10%, all trades close once losses reach $500 on a $5,000 account. You can also enable the cool-off option at max loss. When triggered, GridX will wait your preferred time before starting a new basket after a max loss was hit. Next, we have the DCA, or dollar cost averaging option. This allows GridX to keep adding positions on the losing side, bringing the average price closer to the current price, and increasing the chance of recovery. The leg distance between orders is configurable. You can use a fixed distance in point or define it as a percentage of price. There is also a leg distance multiplier, which increases the spacing as more orders are added. This prevents too many trades from clustering together and helps control drawdown in trending markets. Position sizing is also flexible. You can keep it fixed, add a constant increment, such as 0.1 lots more each time, or use a multiplier, such as doubling each leg. To stay safe, a maximum position size can be set so it never grows beyond your chosen limit. Another useful feature is the maximum basket duration option. This closes all open trades if the basket has been running too long, for example, more than 24 or 48 hours. This avoids getting stuck in trades for days in difficult conditions, and also mitigates swap fees impact. Going back to the backtest, we can see the backtest graph. You can see how the equity line responded to the trades in real time. Using the max basket duration and max loss, you can keep the equity close to the balance line, controlling the risk. The backtest statistics look promising with a profit of roughly $1,000 and drawdown under $200. Grid trading and martingale can be very risky. However, there are methods and parameters that can mitigate the risk. Remember, backtests are a guide, not a guarantee. But they give us valuable insight into how the EA manages trades and risk. If you want to try GridX for yourself, visit mt4gadgets.com.